Hey, guess what? We have a new e-commerce site solely dedicated to our gutter machines and our accessories. Let's jump on my computer here and I'll show you everything you need to know. Hey, this is Alex from New Tech Machinery. Today we're going to show you our new e-commerce site dedicated to our gutter machines and accessories. So let's put me in a little circle in the corner and we'll show you everything you need to know about the website. So there are two ways to get onto the website. First, you can do shop.newtechmachinery.com. And this will pull up the website here. And the other way to do it is you go to newtechmachinery.com and you go to our gutter page. Scroll down to our 5.6 and 5.6 combo machines and you'll see this Buy Now button. This Buy Now button, you click it and it'll take you to our new website. You can see shop.newtechmachinery.com. So two ways to get there. All right, so now that we're on the e-commerce site, here's the home page. You have our Shop Now button and below you can see our seamless gutter machines and our gutter machines accessories. And below that, you can see our gutter machine configuration page and any assistance you need. This will take you back to our contact page where you can reach out if you have any other questions. All right, so there's two ways to get to where you can purchase the machines on here. You can click the Shop Now button. So there's two options on the gutter machine accessories page. You see our seamless gutter machines and you see our gutter machine accessories. So let's click on Shop Now under the seamless gutter machines. And you see our three options. You see our 5-inch gutter machine, our 6-inch gutter machine, and our 5.6 combo gutter machine. So let's click Buy Now here. And it pulls up our machine. You can see different pictures of it and all its different configurations. We have the price range, and if you scroll down, you can see the video where we talk about all the different configurations we have for our Mach 2 gutter machine, and we'll hit this configure button. This will pull up our configurator, and this allows you to customize your machine to any configuration that you want. We have a list of configurations, and we can put that link below where you can see all the different configurations that we have. So the first option in your configuration page is number of shears. So you got 1 or 0, so we'll say 1 on this one. The second selection is the number of cradles. So why don't we do 1 cradle here? And the third selection is number of reels with turnstile stands. Let's say 1 here. And notice how it's blocked out. Either the 0 or the 2 is blocked out. That's because in this configuration, you can only have 1 reel. So there's only one option to choose from. So now we've made our machine and you can see the configuration on the right-hand side here. There's the reel, the cradles, and the shear. And if you scroll down, you can see the price. Now there's the Add to Cart button. So just click this button right here and it says Add to Cart. And it will save your configuration. Now the machine is in your cart. So you see up here on the right-hand corner, there's the cart button. So we'll go there, we'll go View Cart. And you can see your configuration that you put in here. We have the price, we have one with the base model and the shear, and the turnstile with the reel and a coil cradle. Below, you can have your most recently viewed. You also have what you may like, and that will fill in any other accessories that you may want in the future. So we'll go right here to proceed to checkout. Once we hit checkout, this page will pop up. You'll either see if you're a new returning customer or you're a new customer. So fill out all this info. We need your name, last name, email address, password, anything you see on a typical e-commerce website. So once you hit checkout, you can put all your information in. So I just put in our service center information here, so our address, Aurora, Colorado, our zip code, a fake phone number. And then down here, you see our standard ground shipping, and you see how much that would cost. And then you can put in the credit card info. And then you scroll down about the billing address. And then you go through and you purchase your machine. So let's go back to the homepage of our e-commerce site. So the other way to get to the shop is at the top here. You hit seamless gutter machines and it'll pull you right into the three options that we have, the 5-inch, the 6-inch, and the 5.6 combo. And that's another way to purchase your machine. It'll go through the same configurator as we just showed you. At the top here, You can see since I created an account, it says welcome Alex. There's also an option for quick order. So if you have an accessory that you know you want, you can just put it right in. You can put the SKU number or the item number and just quickly add it to your cart. And then just at the bottom here, we have our FAQs and lots of other little things. So next up, we'll show you our accessories page. So you click Gutter Machine Accessories, and you see all our different accessories here, our reels, our cradles, our riser kits, our remotes. If you have a hook assembly, or if you want a hook assembly in your gutter machine, you can click that here. Have all of our different accessories. So let's click on Hook Assembly 5.6 Gutter Machine. And here's the hook assembly. You can add it to your cart. So let's add it to the cart and let's continue shopping. So you see at the bottom here, we have details. So everything you need to know about the hook assembly is right here. And then up here on the view cart, now we've added our accessory, the hook assembly, and you can go through the same checkout process if you want to purchase this accessory. And to get back to the accessories, just hit Gutter Machine Accessories at the top here, just like any other e-commerce site. Make sure you check out our Learning Center. There you can watch any videos, articles, or learn anything you need to know about our machines. And this is basically our e-commerce site. We can't wait to see what you guys create with your new machine. Send us any photos, videos. We love seeing people out on the job site and we would love to share it on social media. Thanks for watching and we'll see you guys soon.